Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I'm your science teacher. Okay, today we are discussing part 2 of our chapter number 1, that is food, where does it comes from. Okay, so in the last class bacho we have discussed about sprouted seeds, nectar, the introductory portion, that is the variety of the food items, right? We have discussed about animal sources, plant sources and edible parts. So today we are just continuing this chapter and we'll be doing the exercise part also. Okay. So based upon what animals eat. Okay, animals eat something, right, for their survival. So what animals eat, based upon that we have characterized the animals into 3 parts. You're getting what I'm saying? Based upon the category that what animals are eating, the animals are characterized in 3 parts. First one, herbivores. Herbivores are the organisms that are eating only and only plant products. Okay. So for example, cow. Cow eats only and only plant products like roti. Roti is getting from wheat, that is a plant part. Okay, cow can be eating that grass or vegetable or fruit, something like that. Okay, so organisms that take only and only food product as their meal or plant product as their meal are called herbivores. Okay, the second category bachcho, carnivores. Carnivores are those organisms that are depending upon the animal, that eat animal, and that is why they are called carnivores. Okay, for example, lion. Okay, that eat only and only animals. Okay, this is the example number 2. The third category, omnivores. These are the organisms that are depending upon both the plant products and the animal products for their survival. For example, dog. Dog also eat pedigree and it is also eating some animal. Okay. So based upon the category what animals are eating, we have characterized it. First one, herbivores. Herbivores are the organisms that eat only and only plant product. Okay. Second category, carnivores. For example, lion. This one is the cow now. Carnivores. These are the organisms that are eating animal portion. And the third category, omnivores. Omnivores are the organisms that are having both the plants and the animals as their meal. For example, dog. You may note down it as, okay. First one, herbivores, animals that eat only plants, जो सिर्फ पौधे और प्लांट्स को खाते हैं, उन एनिमल्स को क्या बोला जाता है? Herbivores. Okay. For example, deer. Carnivores, the animals which eat only animals. For example, tiger. Now bachcho, omnivores, the animals which eat both the plants as well as other animals are called omnivores, and its example is crow. Okay bachcho. So this was all about the summary and the concept of chapter number 1, food, where does it comes from. So hope that all of you have understood whatever I have taught you. Okay. So now it's the time to do the exercise portion. Okay. So let's start. This is the first question of your exercise. Name 5 plants and their plants that we can eat. You have to tell me 5 names of the plants that you can eat and the parts of the plant that you are using. Okay. For example, if you are having carrot, then carrot is the root of the plant. So carrot is the name of the first plant and the part used is root. Onion. Onion is what? The stem of the plant. If you are saying cauliflower, cauliflower is the flower of the plant. If you are saying wheat, rice, etc., then these are the seeds of the plant. So the answer is carrot. Carrot is the root of the plant. Apple. What is apple? Apple, orange. What are these? Banana. These are the fruits of the plants. Spinach. Spinach are the leaves. Okay. So spinach are the leaves of the plant. cauliflower. When I talk about cauliflower, cauliflower is the flower of the plant. Okay, bachcho? Cauliflower are the flowers of the plant. Rice. Rice are the seeds of the plant. Rice are the seeds. And when I talk about onion, what is onion? Onion is the stem of the plant. So this is the question number 1. That name 5 plants and their parts that we can eat. You have to write the name of the plants as well as the parts used. Okay. So this was your question number 1. Now we are discussing the second question. Second question says, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? Firstly think. Do you think that all the living beings need same kind of food? The answer is no. No. All living beings do not require same kind of food. Why? Because there are organisms that are eating plants and there are organisms that are eating animals, and there are some organisms that they are eating both the plants and animals. So the organisms that are eating plant are called herbivores. Organisms that are eating animals are carnivores, and there are some organisms that are eating both, so those are omnivores. So the answer is no. All the living beings do not need the same kind of food. Some animals eat plants as food and they are called herbivores, and while some another animals eat other animals and so they are called carnivore. Okay, bachcho? So this was your question number 2. Next question. We'll discuss your next question. Match the items given in column A with that in column B. There are some options in column A and you have to match the suitable answers of these options with column B. First, column 1's first portion, milk, curd, paneer or ghee. Milk, curd, paneer and ghee are the suitable match for each other plants or animals? No. Eat plants and plant products? No. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee are vegetables? No. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee are all animal products. Okay, so these are animal products. This first part. Next, spinach, cauliflower and carrot eat other animals. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot eat plant and plant products. Spinach, cauliflower and carrot are vegetables. ये क्या है? Vegetables. So this is your second. Lions and tigers. Lions and tigers eat other animals. Obviously these are carnivores and these are eating other animals. Okay, bachcho? So the correct answer is 3. Herbivores. Herbivores eat other animals? No. Herbivores eat plants and plant products. Okay. So the correct answer is this. Fourth option. So in this way you can match your columns up. Okay. So now we are discussing the last part. That is the fill up part. Fill up the blanks with the words given. These are the categories or the words given. You have to match it up or fill it up in the suitable questions. First questions, bachcho. Tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. The organisms that eat only and only meat or animals are called carnivores. So the answer is carnivore. Next question. Deer eats only plant products and so is called, the organisms that eat only and only plant product are called herbivores. Okay. So the answer is herbivore. Next one. Parrot eats only dash products. Parrot eats only plant products. Okay, बच्चों? Next. The dash that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats, is an animal product. क्या चीज़ आती है cows, buffaloes और goats से, जो कि एक animal product है, that is milk. The milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats, is an animal product. Okay? And the last question now. We get sugar from sugarcane. Okay? So the answer is sugarcane. So students, today we have finished our chapter number 1, that is food, where does it comes from. So in this chapter we have discussed that a lot of variety of food is there when we talk about food items. Okay, depending upon seasons we have our food. We have discussed sprouted seeds, nectar, plant parts. We have discussed animal sources, plant sources, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Okay bachcho? So now your work is to study at your home. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.